Hello everyone. In last video I have read the poem The Town Child. So in next video I will go through the summaries. So let's start. Now the poem The Town Child is about a child who lives in a town but he doesn't like it. Why? Do you think that why he doesn't like the towns? Because of the increasing of noise pollution, sound pollution. His mind is distracted when he studies and everything. Now, child in the poem tries to contrast between the village beauty and an increase with traffic. He tries to describe the crowded street through the buses, motors and trams. After that, he wishes that there should be meadows and lamps to enjoy the beauty of nature. He is very frustrated with the pollution and noises around the places where they are living. Again, his wishes that there should be a wood clear, a beautiful sky to enjoy with live peacefully, and he wants to stay in castles of cloud and enjoy the blue beauty of the sky. The little boy wants to endless large blue sky to be his home so that he could be built or have castle and whenever he wanted and enough space for him to live his dreams. So that's why he wants to live in the sky, to live in a peaceful. So like nowadays also due to noise pollutions and due to very smoking is that, and our mind becomes very frustrated. It's like we want silence zone, so we want sometimes we want to go in the nature beauty to take the fresh air. Like that in this poem also poet is the boy is very frustrated due to the smoke, due to the pollutions, noise pollutions, everything, and he wants to just silence zone to go into the sky and build his own house so that he could be enjoy his day silently and peacefully. So in next video I will give you few words, because in this poem my few words, at least 6 words, is very difficult to find out the meanings. So I will give you the word that you can find out the meanings from the dictionary. So watch the next videos.